How to review interactive videos on Facebook Lite. Hello guys, in today's video I'm gonna show you how to review interactive videos on Facebook Lite. First thing, go to Facebook Lite. Here you will find these three lines in the top corner. Click on it and then just go down until you find settings, and here you will find this one, activity log. Click on it and then just click here, interactions, and now click interactive videos. And as you see here, you can review your interactive videos on Facebook Lite, and it's easy, of course. And that's it for today's video. If you like this video, please don't forget like and don't forget subscribe, and thank you for watching this video until the end, and see you in the next video.